Hi everyone, this is Marilyn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. I want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope it is healthy and prosperous for all of us. Time is already flying. I have so many projects planned and I'm hoping I have enough time to get to them. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. Today, I will be making a set of coasters to kick off the new year. I'm calling them the 2026 New Memories Coaster Set. These are the products I will be using today. The Smart Vinyl, my Cricut Joy, 2 square coasters, these Crafter Square rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. I bought these a few years ago, but these are all year round. I'm also going to be using, I want these coasters to be black and white. So the fonts, the rub-ons are black. I'm going to be using the polyurethane resin from Let's Resin, and give it a little sparkle with the Matio crushed crystals. I'm loving this stuff. So without further ado, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, the font that I'm using is Gelato Fresco. Okay, now I want to choose from here. I want to choose what message and words I want. Okay, now that I have the designs, the fonts and everything cut out, I'm going to start mixing the polyurethane. Since it's got a 2-minute work time, I have to get everything ready. If not, it'll start getting gooey. Just in case I have any leftovers, I want to get a couple of these owls done. So now we wait about 10 minutes and we can start applying the rub-ons. It's a little crooked. Don't like it. Let's see if I can fix it. Probably not. Let's see how it's gonna look once it's transferred. Oh, it's gonna bother me. these came out. Adorable. I'm just gonna get them painted. Detail is perfect. Work on those on Friday. Okay, these are now ready to go to curing. So I'll be right back. Okay, they're ready. I don't think they're perfect. I could just do another top coat after I sand them down, but they're not bad. It has a couple bubbles here. Edges are fine. So bubble there, and then on this one, let's see, this one could probably, I got a couple of top, like inner bubbles, and here I don't know what happened, and down here, so I could probably sand them down. I'm not gonna put the cork on them. I'm gonna use the little rubber feet, just because I might just sand it down and do it, give it another top coat. But I mean, they're so beautiful. Look how nice they came out. Just using rub-on transfers. And that's it for today's project. Thank you so much for coasting through the week with me and welcoming the new year with creativity and intention. I hope these coasters inspired you to create new memories in 2026, one project at a time. All the products I used on this video will be linked in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to check out all of the amazing creators linked below. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.